Secretary of the Department of Agriculture of the Republic of the Philippines, Proceso Alcala, to give us his opening remarks for the 7th International Rice Genetics Symposium. Let us welcome the Secretary of the Department of Agriculture.
Good morning. I am honored to speak on behalf of the President Aquino today. Allow me to share with you his message for this occasion. In behalf of the Filipino people, it is my pleasure to welcome all of you in the Philippines. Since the dawn of time, man has been experimenting with plants and natural materials to feed himself, his family, and his pets. Our determination to explore ways to improve agricultural production, a determination exhibited by our gathering today. It is a response to the compelling need to feed more people with greater efficiency in ever-changing world. Rice is a staple, is one food product upon which we have focused our collective resources, from the development of rice that produces higher yield, to one that is more resistant to water and pests, and to even producing rice that is infused with nutrients. We see how science is improving our food products for the benefit of the majority. At the same time, we have also seen the devastating effects brought about by scientific interventions. For instance, ADT, though initially perceived to be beneficial as pesticide, as seen in the past century, had unwarranted effects such as soil degradation and was toxic to many living organisms. This tells us that just as science enables us to be more efficient, it brings with it unforeseen repercussions. And that is the task of everyone, whether one is in government, scientific research, or business, to come together and discuss the impact of science and technology in our daily lives. The task before all of us is to balance what is needed by our people and how it can be best achieved without compromising the safety of our people and without damaging the environment. At the heart of all this, I believe it is necessity to constantly engage one another through national conversation and international dialogues. Our gathering today reflects our shared commitment to improve the quality of rice products across the world, and subsequently our determination to ensure food security not only for Filipinos, but for all people, by strengthening our partnership in international research and by working to realize our shared vision of equitable access of nations to quality food supplies. We raise the standard of living not only in our respective nations, but the very way we live as one global community. As a nation on the rise, the Philippines recognizes the important role of scientific research, particularly genetics, in ensuring the continued nourishment of our people and in realizing our national goal of rice self-sufficiency. But this goal must not be won at the expense of safety of Filipinos. We believe that research and the use of biotechnology in food products must be done in a safe and responsible manner. This is a principle that reflects our government's commitment to protect the welfare of our people and our environment. In this endeavor, we recognize the invaluable contribution of scientists and experts such as yourselves. The assistance and support you extend in the development of rice and agricultural products redound to an improved capacity to feed our people and strengthen our national economy. From developing healthier, most cost-effective varieties of rice like golden rice and submarine rice, to improving best practices and technologies for rice production, to diversifying our agricultural output through biotechnological research as seen in the high-quality corn we produce. Indeed, you are not only contributing to the advancement of agriculture and scientific research, more importantly, you are working to build a more sustainable future for our people. In short, all of us present today are making certain that the current and succeeding generations have the necessary resources to feed themselves. As you strive to find ways to improve the rice production, you have my government by your side, ready and determined to work with you. By working hand in hand to guarantee food security, we ensure that our people are healthy enough to contribute to the economy and in turn empower the bequest a better future in their children. As President, I believe it is incumbent upon all of us to start to find ways to enable our people to live dignified, productive lives. I think this is what this gathering is all about. By coming together and working with each other, we lay the groundwork to effectively combat widespread hunger and poverty. It is through our continued cooperation, whether in the research, policy development, or the improvement of production practices, that we ensure we bring about meaningful changes in our nations, change the redounds to even greater progress for all mankind. Thank you and